Already, hola and welcome to another kasiloose video, and today we have the highlights of 2021 Hot Wheels Mainline Case J. Yes it is. So we start off with how about this one? Well, it's not actually new to the Case J, but it's from the Case G and a repeat to the Case J, which is the recolor of the Porsche 935. Look at that. That is beautiful kasiloose. And here you go. Look at that. Magnus Walker Urban Outlaw. I love this casting. Yes it is. Wow. Yup. There you go. That is beautiful. That is beautiful. And here is the first version. Look at that. Red and blue. One glance you can see the difference, and you might miss it on the pegs, but there you go. Two versions of the Porsche 935. Wow, with a different rims and all that, different colored rims. Yes it is. So that's the first one, the Porsche 935. Next we're going for this one, a recolor, also 2016 Ford GT Race. Also a repeat from the Case G, appearing in Case J also. Yup, kasiloose. Look at that. Beautiful in black. Wow. Borla. Yup. That is beautiful. So let's compare it with the first color, which is gray. Some like it gray, or you can say silver gray. Some like it black. So which one do you prefer? That is beautiful. Yes it is. Wow. For different wheels and all that. That's the Ford GT Race. Next we're going for the let's take a look. How about this one? Yes, Turtle Shell. A word play of the turbo, maybe. So it becomes turtle shell. Not sure why it just doesn't say turbo shell. Still, it looks awesome. Look at that. That is cute. Kasiloose. In case you're wondering, JRX. Let's focus on it. JRX 14, a new casting, turtle shell. Different colored wheels and all that. Green. Wow, that is cute. Look at that. Turtle shell. Yes it is. Kawabanga, dude. Turtle shell. Interesting concept there. Yes it is. Yup. Next we're going for the, how about this one? This is not a new casting. 82 Dodge Rampage. Yup. First appeared in a premium, I think. Yes it is. Kasiloose. That 5-spoke wheels, red and orange. With an ATV at the back there. I believe the orientation of the ATV is different from the previous casting, right? You guys can comment down below. That beautiful. Yes, it is. Nice. So that leads to confusion. Is this one 2020? Usually they do a retool, they put the other years also, but this one just simply put a 2020. Yup. That makes me confused for a while, but this is not a new casting. Yup. Look at that. Beautiful. Yes, it is. Awesome. That's the Dodge Rampage. Maybe put it in the middle there. Next one, we may go for this guy here, Ducati Scrambler Hot Wheels Edition, Moon Eyes. Look at that. Kasiloose. There you go. Moon Eyes Black. Maybe focus up a bit. It's kind of rough on the tempo there. There you go, Moon Eyes. We've seen many Moon Eyes in this year's main line. This one, the Dajiban, and the what else? The Bone Shaker. That's crazy. You can. No, it's hard. You cannot turn it. Can see the headlights there, nothing on the back. Yeah, hopefully I can give it. Nope. See that? This has no stand, so there you go. The Ducati Scrambler Hot Wheels Edition. I have to put it just like that. Yes, it is. Moon Eyes. Yep. Next one. A recolor of the Lancia Delta Integrale. Look at that. Look how sharp it is. Michelin and everything. Wow. Kasiloose. Now in black. Previously in white. Now in black. Nothing on the back there because it has a side tempo. Yup. Can see the Bilstein, Sparco, Hot Wheels, Rally, El Segundo, Michelin. What's at the back there? Not so sure. We got the headlights there, which is awesome. Yup. The black Lancia Delta Integrale. And here's the white version. Look at that. Which one do you prefer? The black or the white? Both look awesome. Yes, it is. Nice. Lancia Delta Integrale. Moving on, this one, the Nissan Skyline 2000 GTR in yellow, then and now. Awesome. Kasiloose. Take a closer look first. Yeah, yellow with a black stripes on the side, nothing on the top. Does it look okay? Maybe, but those who collect this one, yup, will be in the collection. Let's compare it with the now. This is the then and this is the now. The now with a top stripe, nothing on the side. The then has the side stripe. Beautiful. Yes, it is. And 4 more to go. Let's pick this one, the Porsche 356 Outlaw in Golf. And what's the car also in Golf? I'm not really sure. Kasiloose. There you go. Golf Porsche 9 Outlaw. Porsche Outlaw. Nice wheels there, and of course nothing on the front and on the back. This is the normal version. There's a super treasure hunt version for case J of this same casting. Yup. Look at that. I'm not so sure if there's a mainline Golf also for this year's mainline. You guys can comment down below. What is it? Just forgot. Okay, there you go. Nice Golf there. And yes, it is. Just put it at the back. We're going for this one, new to the case. The Porsche 993 GT2. Oh, lots of Porsche in this J case. Exotics. Look at that. That is beautiful. See loose. There you go. In red with a gold rims. It's a 5-spoke actually. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah, that's beautiful. There's a stripe on the top there. Nothing on the back. Plastic headlights, which is awesome. Love some plastic headlights there. And there you go. The Porsche 993 GT2. It's been a while we've seen this one, right? Not so sure if there's a in the last year mainline. No year at the back, at the bottom there. Interesting enough. Okay. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. And we've come to the last two. Let's take this one. So this is the second casting for the Falcon. Previously the Toyota E86, right? Now it's the 69 Copa Camaro. We haven't seen in a one mainline year there's a multiple casting of say Falcon or Golf or Moon Eyes for a different casting. This year, for example, Falcon, we've got two cars sporting the Falcon liveries, which is awesome. And also there's an ID for this car, for this casting, ID in the J case, which sports the what's it called, Spectra Flame. Yup, kasiloose. There you go. This is beautiful. Love the Falcon liveries, green and blue. And if it made a Spectra Flame, totally awesome. Look at that. That is nice. That is nice. You know what? Let's put it together with the Toyota E86. Look at that. In 1 year, we have two Falcon liveries on a different casting. How cool is that? Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Beautiful. Let's put it here. Yup. And the last one, a new casting, the 2020 Toyota GR Supra. Look at that, in white. Kasiloose. With a blackout wheels. Look at that. Grady, sparkle. Beautiful. We have a headlights there, flat out wheel wells with a wing. Nothing on the back, of course. Wow, nice wheels. TRX 20. This is beautiful. Look at that. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. How cool is that? Nice. And there you go. All the cars that has been kasiloose from JK's loaded, definitely. Mwah! Just nice, just nice. So if you don't subscribe, notification bell button, share everyone, comment down below what you guys think. Thumbs up definitely. Talk to you later. See you soon. Bye.